So much. And now to this. A hung jury ended the quadruple murder trial of a Westchester man accused of executing members of his own family. Gurpreet Singh's lawyers want him released, but that is just part of the fallout. WCPO 9 News reporter Larry Seward has been covering this trial for you. He is live for us in Hamilton tonight. And Larry, Butler County prosecutor wants a retrial with a new judge?
Absolutely, Tanya. Prosecutor Mike Mosier, he wants Judge Howard to recuse himself from the next trial. If not, that issue is going to Ohio Supreme Court over how the judge handled juror conflict.
A hung jury is never a desirable outcome in a criminal case.
The end of Gurpreet Singh's quadruple murder trial brought no joy.
We wanted a not guilty verdict.
On Singh's side, among victims' loved ones,
It's just, I feel like I wasted 3 weeks of my life.
upset jurors, nor anyone in Butler County Prosecutor Mike Mosier's office.
There are only 4 words to describe my decision to move forward with another trial. And those 4 words are yes and hell yes.
Prosecutors spent 10 days rolling out evidence and expert testimony to prove Singh killed his wife, her parents, and her aunt inside his apartment 3 years ago. But jurors Wesley and Tony told us one of the 12 jurors made any unanimous verdict impossible.
She told us the first day of deliberation that she's not budging.
The very first day
of deliberation.
According to jurors in Singh's defense, the issue involved DNA evidence. During deliberations, the jury asked Judge Howard for a transcript of testimony, but he refused. Hours later, jurors complained about screaming and arguing between jurors 111 and 83. According to the defense, the latter saw reasonable doubt, others did not.
He was covered in blood. It's a bloodbath. So, I mean, it's obvious. It's 4 dead people. He's sitting there. Whose other blood could it be?
Prosecutor Mosier wants more than another trial. He wants Judge Howard to let someone else preside over the case.
Did Gurpreet seem relieved?
He wanted finality, and I truly, Charlie Ritkers, I believe that he is innocent, and he has maintained his innocence from day one. So, he's disappointed that it wasn't a not guilty verdict.
Families of victims Hakikak Singh Panag, Shalinderjeet, Parmjeet, and Amarjeet Kaur left too emotional to speak on camera, but they promised to keep fighting for justice. There is already another hearing scheduled November 1st at 1:30 in the afternoon here at Butler County's courthouse. What is not clear tonight is if Gurpreet Singh can afford the same defense team that he had for the first trial. We're live in Hamilton. Larry Seward, WCPO 9 News.
All right, Larry.